Like me.
Your Holiness. Good afternoon. I think I speak on behalf of everyone here when I say thank you for coming to speak with us today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
My name is Ryan Mayock. I'm a student at the University of Washington. After I graduate, I would like to go into the field of international medicine and work with communities in impoverished countries.
Oh,
My question for you is related to this matter. As HIV continues to devastate populations in Africa, what do you think we can do to get people internationally to show the compassion and love necessary to turn this disease around?
firstly, of course, I think medicine. There are already some research, I think millions of dollars is spending. I think these should continue and should bring some result, some medicine. Then education people in this area. Then some cases, I think these, of course, not the blood transfusion. Blood transfusion. Through that way also, you see, sometimes it's happening. But in most cases, I was told through sexual contact, isn't it? So, should make available rubber. Then another thing. I think the society, a community, should not reject or should not look down these patients. And also those prisoners. I noticed prisoners, you see, once they serve in jail, then people consider these are something bad element or bad guy. And they themselves then feel something now no longer belong to the community. So then the sense of responsibility, sense of duty, much sort of damage. So I heard, as a result of some conference about the difficulties of the prisoners, I heard, you see, after the jail sentence completed, they return to the society, some sort of extra difficulties. So therefore, the society must sort of give love and accept them as a part of society. Give them hope. Give them sense of community. Give them sense of responsibility. That I think is important. Otherwise, I don't know. I'm not expert. Thank you. Okay, one. Okay.